Welcome back to The Budget Boss, your go-to place for smart financial strategies. Today, we're diving into the best tax-saving strategies for Americans. Want to keep more of your hard-earned money? Let's explore some powerful ways to minimize your tax burden using IRAs, 401ks, and some savvy deductions. First, let's talk about the 401k. If your employer offers a match, take full advantage of it. By contributing up to the annual limit, you can significantly reduce your taxable income while growing your retirement savings. For 2024, you can contribute up to $22,500, and if you're over 50, you can add a $7,500 catch-up contribution. Next, consider opening a traditional IRA. Contributions to a traditional IRA may be tax-deductible, helping lower your taxable income for the year. The annual limit is $6,500 or $7,500 if you're over 50. Plus, you'll enjoy tax-deferred growth on your investments until retirement. Tax credits are game changers. The Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, and Child Tax Credit can significantly reduce your tax bill. Make sure you're taking advantage of these credits if you're eligible. If you're paying off student loans, you can deduct up to $2,500 in student loan interest from your taxable income. There you have it, folks. Some of the best tax-saving strategies for Americans. Start implementing these today and watch your savings grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tips and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.